Ever wondered if Expensify is really as strict as they claim to be? Do they actually check those receipts you submit? Let's dive in and find out. Expensify, for those unfamiliar, is a popular expense management tool used by businesses worldwide. It's designed to streamline the expense reporting process, from capturing receipts to reimbursement. But the big question remains, how rigorous is their receipt verification process? The myth and reality. There's a common misconception that Expensify has a team of eagle-eyed accountants poring over every single receipt, scrutinizing every detail. While it's true that Expensify has automated systems to flag potential issues, it's important to understand the nuances. Automated checks, the first line of defense. Expensify employs advanced AI and machine learning algorithms to automatically scan receipts. These systems can identify missing information. Is the merchant name, date, and total amount missing? Duplicate submissions. Have you accidentally uploaded the same receipt twice? Unusual spending patterns. Do your expenses deviate significantly from your typical spending habits? Human review. When does it happen? While automation is efficient, it's not infallible. In certain cases, human intervention is necessary. Complex or ambiguous receipts, handwritten receipts, foreign currency transactions, or receipts with unclear details might trigger a manual review. Policy violations. If your expense claim doesn't adhere to your company's expense policy, it's likely to be flagged for human review. High-value claims, larger expenses might require additional scrutiny. Tips for smooth sailing. To ensure a seamless experience with Expensify, consider these tips. Clear and legible receipts. Ensure your receipts are well lit and easy to read. Accurate data entry. Double-check the merchant name, date, amount, and category. Adhere to company policy. Familiarize yourself with your company's expense policy and stick to it. Utilize Expensify's features. Take advantage of features like SmartScan, which automatically extracts information from receipts. Respond promptly to queries. If your expense claim is flagged for review, be prepared to provide additional information. The bottom line. While Expensify's automated systems are quite effective, human review remains a crucial part of the process. By following best practices and submitting clear, accurate, and policy-compliant expense reports, you can minimize the chances of your claims being flagged and significantly speed up the reimbursement process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.